Oh my god, there's so many drinks to try.
It's got like yogurt or something in it. You know?
Yeah, I get you. This one, disgusting.
This one's the best one so far.
This one tastes like a fruit salad sweet. The Country Club one, I think it's okay.
Okay. Korea. Apple lychee.
That sounds nice. Nice?
Yeah, it's like not very strong.
Okay.
Look, it's just.
Oh, it's just
yeah,
juice.
it's just juice.
That one's actually nice.
The royal watermelon. Oh, that is watermelon.
That is a colour.
What is it? Oh, sour watermelon flavour.
Ooh.
That's sour watermelon.
Oh,
That
great.
tastes like the sour watermelon sweets in a drink.
Okay.
It's like very artificial.
I didn't mean to have so much.
Use my
but
cups as much as I can.
Yeah.
When they taste bad, I'm like, no, thank you.
I don't like the sour watermelon.
China.
What's that one?
Sour plum tea. I'm not gonna like this one. I didn't like it.
Which one was worse? The
Oh,
China
that's the
or
worst one,
Italy?
yeah, that's the worst one.
Worse than Italy?
Oh, no, yeah. Oh, no, I don't like it. I need a palate cleanser. I wish they had water here so you could like get rid of the horrible taste.
I was just trying to get rid of the sour watermelon.
That's just not very nice. Oh, no, not for me.
Okay. I'm not going to put as much in.
Yeah, it's disgusting.
Oh no, it smells.
It's bad. Russia is Sprite cucumber.
It's smoky.
Oh, I didn't like it.
Oh. Sorry. Sorry. That was gross. Sprite. We could do Sprite. Is that what you're on?
Yeah, Sprite cucumber. It just tastes like cucumber, you know, like it just tastes how you expect it to taste.
Oh, yeah, that's refreshing.
Yeah, it reminds me of being at a spa.
Yeah.
Moldova raspberry.
That one will be nice.
Yeah, that tastes like a raspberry tip top.
Okay. What is that China one? Sour plum tea. It tasted really smoky.
I didn't like it.
Which one's that? Oh, that one was nice. I think I like the Korea one, just because it was fruit juice.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this one's okay.
Yeah, like this is raspberry. The Madagascar one's my favourite though.
Yeah, that
China
one
was
was
my
nice.
least favourite. If I were to rank them from least favourite to most favourite, I
Yeah.
can't see them anymore. I usually look at them. China is the worst.
Oh, China was
Then
worse.
Italy.
Yeah, I agree with that.
And then
Sour
Philippines.
Yeah, same.
And then Russia. And then Moldova. And then Korea. And then for me, Madagascar's the best.
Okay, I do the same order to the Philippines, and then I'd say Moldova. What was the? And then probably Russia, Madagascar, Dominican Republic.
Yeah.
No, wait. Korea is my favorite. I was like, I missed one.
We're like, hang on a second.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was fun.
Oh my god. I can't believe we ever thought weather was British. This is crazy. Oh, there it is. There it is. It's an ice cream. No, wait. Oh, it's a Mickey's chocolate cookie sandwich. I thought it was like the ice cream ones.
Yeah.
Those are pretty. We're speed running the world today.
It's because we saw the world, didn't we? So I'm like, I feel like we're going to spend a bit of time in Japan, and I want to get food in Morocco, so...
Yeah.
Oh, you know that must be expensive than this complimentary bottle engraving.
Oh my god.
Like, I don't drink alcohol, but that sounds expensive to me.
American Adventure. That's what we're on.
Yeah.
In Disney. Child nearly ran into my leg. I'm gonna get some lunch from here. Then we can go next door to Morocco and get yours.
Yeah.
I love travelling the world.
I might get a lunch here too, because then the Morocco one's a snack.
Oh,
So it's a little
you can
thing.
use it as a snack.
Eh?
Are you still gonna get it as a snack?
Yeah, because I was like, I'm actually getting a bit hungry now, and then I want to go to
Yeah.
the shop here as well, and I can't shop while I'm hungry. Then I'll be hungry.
Then you'll buy everything that you want because
but-
you're hungry enough
yeah,
to
and then
just
I want
buy
to
it.
enjoy the experience, you know. I want to enjoy the shopping experience. There's so much fun stuff in there.
Yeah. Okay, where is the food? There? No, that's the restaurant.
And your...
Oh.
I don't know who gets the chopsticks, but someone gets chopsticks, but I can't use chopsticks, so...
Well,
I can.
Well, no, I want.
We're at Wagamama's only. Like, they're the only chopsticks I can use.
That looks good though.
Yeah.
There's all the vegetables you wanted.
I know. Ooh. Oh, I feel like that's such a great background for my picture.
Here we got lunch with a view.
Excited.
Japan has the nicest food in the World Showcase. What would you rate your food, Sam?
Like 9 out of 10.
Ooh,
I think it would have been a 10 if I like had some chicken in that. That would
yeah,
have been a perfect meal.
that would have made it a 10.
But it was really
Mine
good.
was 10 out of 10. I had the chicken and beef teriyaki.
Like it was. I really enjoyed it.
It was good though. And we've got the
That's the
red
best
garden
veggie meal
background.
I've had here.
The best veggie meal.
It's the best veggie meal I've had here.
It looked really good.
It was really good.
There's a wasp. Where are we eating next?
Morocco. I'm gonna go get a snack wrap.
snack
That's
wrap.
actually a meal, but I'm gonna have it anyway. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm looking forward to trying that. I like that. Last time trying it, having it again is what I meant. It's gonna be great. It's so hot and my hair keeps falling down. One of our favourite pavilions.
Oh, we love this pavilion. There's just so much to explore around the back.
Yeah, it's amazing.
It's really immersive.
We want to go into there.
Yeah. To get your snack wrap, that's a meal.
Yeah.
Is it a snack credit?
Yeah.
Oh wait, I think I asked you that before actually. Oh yeah, because they're only $6.29. They're only $6.29. Well, if you're getting the falafel one, I might try a chicken one.
Yeah, you should get one.
Yeah. Why not? How's your wrap? Sorry, I asked that as you took a bite. That's my chicken one. Sam got the
So
falafel.
good. The vibes are great. The food's good.
It's just nice.
She's so good. Like I really like. This is my favourite snack.
Credit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to do the Beauty and the Beast sing along?
No, I only
Oh.
know like one song.
It's okay, I can sing along loud enough for the both of us. I think this is the cue, isn't it? It'll be worth it.
Thank you so much.
Looks good though.
It does, and it's like massive, so that'll be good. Napkins, so then we could
I can go get one.
Well, one of us can have the plate, and one of us can just have the.
Okay. Oh man, I'm so excited. And I think coconut, white chocolate, and raspberry go so well together.
Yeah. It's going to be a good combination. It's so hot. Should we We did a great job cutting it.
Yeah, a bit of a hack job there, but that's okay.
Because it won't cut through the bottom. I think I might just like rip it. Oh, we were mostly there.
Yeah.
Just that little bit that's extra toasted.
Struggle.
There we go.
Oh, amazing. Brioche ice cream. I think that was a 10 out of 10 for
That
me.
was really good.
That was really nice. The coconut, white chocolate, raspberry.
Yeah. I think that was a good combination.
Yeah.
We've eaten so much food, I feel so great, but I also feel so full.
I think I know a lot of people drink around the world, but I think eating around the world is how you do it.
It's probably much cheaper as well.
Yeah. Especially if you
Some of
have
these drinks are expensive.
apart from that one, which wasn't on our dining plan, we used our dining plan.
Yeah.
That was great.
But I've been surprised though, because some of the things, even though we've used the dining plan, some of the things have been quite reasonably priced. Like that Morocco wrap is only like $7.
Yeah.
And I think
That's like a meal.
Yeah, like that's
say
a
it's
light
a
lunch.
snack.
Like I think that's, if I weren't so greedy, that is like lunch.
But because we are greedy, we had our
Lunch and then had that as a post lunch.
It's a little side and then dessert.
Yeah, we did a 3-course meal. I wonder what the macarons are like there now, because that's
a snack credit.
yeah, the
So we
people
could
in
get
front of
one.
us were like, it was really good.
You could have a macaron as well.
Not right now.
Oh yeah, that'll be the first stop, won't it?
First one, yeah.
Yeah, we'll get off at the Riviera.
A little community out there in resort as we walk through.
And hopefully theirs is smaller, so the bus will be able to find buses and springs a lot quicker. In Caribbean Beach, where we had to walk a lot.
We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with a final stop at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We hope you enjoyed your visit to Epcot and World Showcase. Did you learn how to say hello in a different language today?
There's the Eiffel Tower. Oh, the world is so small. And so is the Eiffel Tower. Look at this.
Do a little walk through.
Yeah, I want to walk through this courtyard. This looks so posh. Oh my god, look at this mosaic. Oh, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. There's another one. It's, oh my god, it's Tangled. Oh my god, can I get a picture with that wall?
Yeah.
That is so pretty. Wow. I'm obsessed with this hotel. Oh, the people in these balconies will have such a nice view of the lake. They have a really small pool. I wonder if they have more than one. Right, sure, yeah. Ready? It's just a big bird. which had loads of ice on it.
Oh yeah, like 2 days ago.
Yeah.
Let's have someone stand here and give us a warning. And now look, it's one of the hottest days we've had since we've been here. Family pool, busy.
It's good vibes.
Housekeeping of the hand.
Yay! And scene. You come in. What?
$25.
Oh. We're going for bayonets. Bayonets? We're going for beignets. We're going for bayonets.
Wow! Playground. I think we have a playground. We can get into it. We'll look in there.
Shop first?
Shop
or?
first, yeah, and then get a snack and we can sit outside. Or sit inside. Oh well, that's really creepy. Red.
Oh. Only $14.99. It is nice though.
It's the cutest one I've seen. And you probably put some in there.
But that's like that range that we like though.
Yeah. That's really nice.
That's where my magic band's from. Oh, they have Mardi Gras stuff. We don't have this Tiana stuff. You can get a beignet backpack.
A bayonet backpack?
Bayonet backpack.
Oh, this is cute.
That is nice.
Another bayonet backpack. Oh, that's so cute.
I feel like they have more Tiana merch here, which is not fair.
Bayonet. Oh, this is so nice. What the heck?
That is nice.
Feel it
But
as
I feel
well.
like
It's
that's
so
such a
soft.
yeah, but I feel like that's such a dad like.
Yeah, I know, but it's
pause
so
here.
nice.
Okay.
Like, I mean,
I
I don't
like
want
the
it
cap,
to,
though.
it's just nice. It's a nice colour.
Huh? Not our favourite collection. You got the cap, I got the magic band.
I do like it.
I feel like their lobby is fancier, but ours is like more rustic, you know?
Huh?
I feel like their lobby is fancier, but ours is more rustic.
I think it's quite small in here.
Yeah. But isn't it like the smallest resort on Disney? Or have I made that up?
Very in love.
They look good.
I'm very excited about them.
It's our last full day, Sam. How are you feeling?
I'm sad.
We're going to head to Magic Kingdom, ride the Haunted Mansion because we haven't done it yet, and also possibly Tron.
Yeah.
And I want to do Pirates again. And we're going to see the Epcot fireworks tonight.
Maybe
and we're going to get
Guardians again.
Yeah, maybe.
They haven't done it yet. So
We haven't
need to
done it
do
yet.
Guardians.
We haven't done it yet. We've done it 4
No.
times.
It's only been 4 times, but that's just we just haven't done it.
No, we must have done it 5 times because we've got
God,
the
we've
4
had a
songs and we've
repeat-
had
a repeat.
song.
Oh wow.
We need to finish the song bingo though.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
So we're gonna try and get Guardians again.
And then we're gonna get dinner from Caribbean Beach
I
Resort.
just wish that like this was just my life. Like the last few days where we've been like popping into a Disney park and then coming back and like having a nice lunch at some random resort and then hanging out
It's the
and then
dream.
going back to Disney. That's how I should be living my life.
Yeah, we have to go home. Back to rainy England where it's rained every day this year. Back to work.
sending us silly little emails.
But it's okay. It's not.
I have like lost all concept of time though. Like I keep having to check every
Yeah, I
morning
don't know what day it is. I don't know what day it is.
I never have
but I think that's fine. You don't even know what day it is in Disney.
No. I'm excited for the Epcot fireworks again.
Same. They had heart-shaped fireworks. It was crazy. Oh, they're cleaning up.
Oh, do you think that's cool?
That's a long queue.
A little bit longer than when we came last time.
I feel like it's because Tron and Space Mountain are closed.
Yeah.
Selected you to fill our quota.
He's sitting on something. Oh my god! My head! What were you looking at?
Ooh, I was thinking I either might get this or I might get the brownie sundae because I don't want a waffle bowl. So
Yeah.
I might get the brownie one with some ice cream. There's an ice cream cookie sandwich and you get to choose the ice cream. So many options. I'm gonna get some ice cream. It's like when we came first the other night for the fireworks, people were coming out with bowls of ice cream. And I just knew since then that I needed to be a person with a bowl of ice cream.
And now you're going to be a person with a bowl of ice cream.
It's gonna be my lunch. It's so good. I'm so glad we got them in cups and not bowls.
Yeah, this is so much easier. How happy are you now,
Oh,
Sam?
I'm so happy. This is all I wanted.
Oh, looks great. Cheers.
Would you film me getting all my pictures? I was like, I need people to move out
Yeah,
the
but
way.
I'll cut it, it's fine.
And now, combining the silvery tinkle of the organ chimes
With the golden voices of the Dapper Dans.
performing a little ditty we like to call
Tis better to have loved a short girl than never to have loved a tall.
All right, I think it went over their heads. All right, you know what? How about a little test instead? Yeah. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. All right, that's pretty good. All right, how about something a little more challenging? If you're happy and you know it, lick your nose. Yeah, good job. Wow. You must be very proud. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, give us $1. charge that to your room. Yeah, that is how that works. Okay, you know what? I know just the thing. How about we sing their favorite song?
Which one is that?
The last one. Yeah. Oh, no, all right, it's a mixed bag. Okay, how about this? How about an old-fashioned sing-along? Where are all the Disney fans? Yeah, all right. All right, for the true Disney fan, if I sing supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Yeah, they know it. Well done. All right, everybody start clapping along. 5, 6, 7. Keep it going. Great job. All right, you know the words. Let's find out. Sing along. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Even though the sound of it is something quite atrocious, if you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Keep it going.
You all whistle while we work. Here we go.
It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small. Who's the leader of the club? Let's take for you and me. NYCKYMOUSC. Hey, then hi, there, ho, there, you're as welcome as can be. NYCKYMOUSC. Mickey Mouse, Mickey Mouse. Forever let us hold our banner high. Come along and sing a song and join the jamboree. NYCKYMOUSC.
I've never seen two of them go by at the same time.
Welcome aboard, folks. Thanks for joining our trip to Fantasyland. Throughout our journey, please make sure your hands, arms, feet, legs, parasols, and bowler hats stay inside the train. And please keep an eye on our junior riders.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos.
Little tour. What are we looking at now?
You bet.
There's a car park.
You see that astro orbiter
Nice.
stitch?
There's
From
a
up
lake.
there in those
Maybe a
rockets, you
lake,
can see
lake.
everything.
Then we got the
in
Contemporary Hotel over there.
Yeah,
including
there's
the
Monorail track.
Tomorrowland Speedway.
Yeah, thank you. Monorail
The
track.
goes by.
Monorail goes on the monorail track.
You don't need a license
yeah.
to drive in Tomorrowland,
bus.
Stitch.
2 minutes.
No problem. Stitch, love going fast.
Nice
Almost
nature.
as much as Stitch
I don't know if the bird is
loves
showing up on the camera.
If you want to go
Oh, it's
fast,
taking it.
Stitch, why not race across
It
the
just
grid
dived
with
into the
Team
water.
Blue on Tron Light Cycle
That's
Run?
crazy.
Sound like David
Stitch,
Attenborough.
I think you'd make a wonderful addition
This
to
is
the
nature
grid.
with Sam.
Well, would you look at that? It's
That was
almost
crazy.
whistle time.
No alligators though.
Scurry
Yeah,
on
no
down to the
alligators.
other end of the train and use that big old please on the engineer.
trees.
And don't forget to use those thank yous.
Dead grass. Maybe we should water that.
They probably should want that, yeah.
I'm sure they can afford some sprinklers.
Yeah.
Some ducks.
There's some what? Space Mountain.
Which is closed.
Oh yeah, it's closed at the moment, but we'd really like to go on it if it ever reopens.
This is what we could hear the other night.
Yeah. When we had headaches, it was really loud.
Well done, Stitch. Say, you want to stick around and help me introduce these fine folks to Storybook Circus? I think you'll love it, Stitch. You'll see great feats of strength.
In a tiny little gap. Oh, it's gone. My camera work was terrible.
Animals of all shapes and sizes.
Now we're getting to the news, the sights.
You bet your bottom dollar, there are even elephants with ears so large They can fly as high as the rockets we just left behind.
Island elephants?
At Storybook Circle platform to unfold those strollers. And now, friends, travelers, children of all ages, welcome to the stupendous, the sensational, the spectacularific Fantasyland Storybook Circus. Next stop, Main Street, USA.
All right, my friends, as we slowly back to the station, please remain fully seated and fully aboard the train until you hear me say those two magic words of all clear.
I don't know. I've never done this though. I don't know. I've only ever gotten the monorail from the car park.
And then we've got the bus, we've got the boat, we've got the Skyliner and the monorail.
We've done all the Disney transport.
The people mover.
The people mover, the best Disney transport there is.
The train.
The train. Didn't see much on the train. I think I prefer the people mover. But it's been 35 since we've been on the monorail. Okay, you're going to time it?
Yes, if you're a giant.
You can document this moment. It says 35 minutes. So Guardians was 35 minutes. We got on really quickly. And then we went on test track, which said it was 50 minutes, but we got on within like 20 minutes. And then we... Ow. Okay. But some Disney Vacation Resort guy. Disney Vacation Club guy. Tempted us in with some stickers, like a man with candy in a van. He was like, here's some stickers. And we were like, ooh, stickers. And then we arranged an appointment to speak to them about it because they were going to give us a $100 gift card. And I was like, oh, I want the mini apron, which is $40. So we went to this appointment, learned about the Disney Vacation Club, and then got a $100 gift card.
Yeah,
it was interesting.
It was really interesting, actually, and I think very worth it for the right people.
Yeah.
I don't think it's worth it for us.
I wish it was.
Yeah. I was like, in a few years'
When I
time
had
maybe.
kids.
Yeah, I think if you Disney holidayed more than
Yeah.
we do. I've come 3 times in the last decade.
And they had a Polynesian showroom
Oh my
thing,
god, it
which was amazing.
incredible.
It looks so nice there.
That
The
was such a
bathroom,
nice
incredible.
result. Yeah.
They had 2 showers in the bathtub.
Disney's Caribbean
And then another bathroom.
Oh, it's amazing. And a balcony.
And a balcony. And a kitchenette.
Laundry if you want to do that. Not me,
And
but
the sleeper things that came
Yeah.
down from the wall.
well, they've got a name, haven't they? Those kind of beds. I forgot
The
they're
4th
called.
sleeper and the 5th sleeper.
No, like
Yeah.
the beds that fold up into the wall. There's like a name for them.
In just a few
Magic
moments,
beds?
we will be landing at Disney's Caribbean
I
Beach
know.
Resort.
It'll come
Pull
to me.
down beds.
No,
Okay, you think on that.
a Murphy bed.
Is that
It's so called.
You're gonna Google it now, aren't you?
Oh, I can't. I've got no internet.
Oh.
I didn't look like an idiot, but I think it's a Murphy bed.
Okay.
Maybe. Cut this out if it's not.
No, it's staying in regardless. And now we're going to Caribbean Beach Resort because we're going to get
fish
Islands of
fish
Disney's
tacos.
Caribbean Beach
So
Resort.
excited.
All
We're getting the
passengers
Skyliner and then we're
must
going to see the
visit
Epcot
or
fireworks.
transfer at this station.
Go Guardians.
Go Guardians.
Have we done it yet?
Yeah, we're trying to play Song Bingo and we've gotten 4 of the 6 songs, but we've gotten one way or another 3 times.
Which is great for me because that's my best
Yeah,
experience.
we need this car photo and everybody wants real world. So we nearly did that. So cute. I'm fake. Okay, let's go get our fish tacos.
There's so lovely in this place.
I feel like it's probably this way, right? The car park's here.
Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, home to a collection of tropical villages inspired by the colorful architecture and lifestyle of the Caribbean islands.
It's our last day. We're heading into Magic Kingdom for the morning to buy some last minute gifts and hopefully go on Space Mountain.
We should do that now while it's open and
Yeah.
working.
Yeah, it's open, working, and 40 minutes long.
Yesterday it was down for a lot of the day.
Yeah. And our suitcases are under, mine just. I'm an overpacker. And then I bought a lot of things I probably shouldn't have. A monorail! I'm gonna miss that.
You were like, let me quickly move on from my overpacking distraction.
Let's not talk
Monorail.
about it. I was really stressed.
But it's fine.
Yeah, and we're gonna have to wear 2 jumpers going onto the flight, but that's okay.
You will.
It's a wee.
That's not a wee thing. That's a you thing.
It's a wee thing. Have to wear 2
You're
jumpers.
gonna make it my problem.
Yeah.
We're in this together.
I'm gonna have to wear my ears in the airport, like an
2
absolute.
jumpers, your ears,
My 2 jumpers, my ears, carrying
your
my
3
little
bags.
I'm gonna have a breakdown. Stop it! This is happy. We're going.
No,
to
it's
Magic
funny.
Kingdom. No, it's,
We can laugh about it. We don't need to
I
cry
don't
about
think
it.
we can.
It's your birthday?
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
It was my birthday once.
That feels like it belongs in one of our museums.
Yeah, I was like, it feels like Beamish, or the Black Country.
Less trauma.
Fun. We should have gotten the bus. That's loud. I wonder where it stops.
It stops.
Stops.
Oh, I thought you were combining start and stop then, and I was like, what?
Stops.
Where does it start?
We also have 4 snacks to use in our plan, right? 4?
Yes.
We can do that easily.
Yeah, that's easy.
Yeah. We shared a breakfast today with our last meal credit.
And had a snack, which was really bad.
I think, is it not in there? They do pastries at the back of there. So we can look in there at the end.
Just the Space Mountain and then.
Oh,
Because then I could have that like everything else we could take it home. Oh my god.
yeah.
It's not the time to talk. Like, I agree.
If everyone just moved out of the way,
We should have run the photographer over.
we should see if we can get some like last minute photos with the memory maker as well. If there's any like nice spots. I feel like we've done so many of the castles.
Yeah.
But yeah. We're going straight to Space
in
Mountain.
my,
and
my
then-
lounge comfy outfit.
Oh yeah. The last day vibes.
My last day, my comfy joggers.
Last day vibes. And then the one ride that we do want to ride if it's like less than 20 minutes is the Goofy Coaster.
All because of Anna.
Yeah, all because of our friend Anna, who is apparently obsessed with Goofy, even though we thought she'd be more of a Daisy person.
Yeah, it's a shock to us both.
Yeah.
But I really like it.
Yeah, I love it.
I love
it.
that.
Was unexpected.
Yeah.
And now every time we see Goofy, we're like, Anna would love that.
Yeah.
So,
It's like she's been on the holiday with us.
yeah. So we need to ride the Goofy Coaster because that's what started her love for Goofy. Oh, there's the castle for the last time.
We're going to be here for a couple of hours.
I was like,
so it's really
am I going to
the last
catch a
stop.
crying moment?
I thought I would cry, but I haven't cried the entire holiday.
I've cried a few
I thought it was
times.
gonna be when
They
I
weren't
saw the
happy tears.
rockets, but got my emotions under control.
I cried when I got stressed at the Velocicoaster lockers. I cried at the astronaut memorial.
Yeah.
I cried at the Epcot fireworks with the Remember Me and I See the Light. No. Yeah.
The monstering thing.
I really enjoyed the Monsters Inc. Blackpool. I think it's a fun ride. Well, attraction.
Yeah. Although I think it's one of those things that was funny the first time, I don't think it'll be funny again.
Yeah. And I think it's nice that they involve like audience members.
Yeah. But yeah, that's my favourite kind of audience participation.
Let's hope Space Mountain is still 40 minutes.
Yeah.
Wait, we can go on the People Mover.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not moving. It's there.
Never mind.
It's the people stop. The people stationary. There's the astral. Maybe we can go on the astral.
No. We don't need to do that again.
Aggravated by this adventure, the expecting mother should not ride, and passengers could not.
Those magnificent men in their flying machines.
You kind of did.
Yeah. The only thing, if I can't find anything else, the only thing is I might get that purple sweater.
Yeah, I saw that. I meant to mention it to you.
Yeah, that's the only thing.
And
but also I'm like, I kind of like the kid would like those, and they can have a keyring, and they can have sweets.
yeah.
They're a Mickey shape. These are the ones that you got, weren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'd have to rearrange my entire suitcase for this now.
But it is a cute bag.
It's very cute. I'm trying to think, like, realistically, how much would I use it at home? Probably not a lot.
I really like the purple colour with the figment one. I just don't want a figment in the pack.
What do you mean you don't want to figure it out?
I like figment. I'm just not like a figment, like hardcore figment cultist, you know? Oh, that necklace is kind of cute. I wouldn't want it, but it's got the castle in it. Yeah.
I'm gonna go pay for my Mickey.
T-shirt. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, they've got that green T-shirt.
Yeah.
I do love the ears. I'm glad I didn't buy them though. Oh, I could have gotten Tiana's apron. I forgot she had one.
Same, I don't remember seeing it. It would have been here.
But I do like the mini one that I got with the little dress thing. I do like them. Maybe I'm gonna look for a Riverside pin. Where are the pins? I do like the Riverside bauble as well. Bayonet t-shirts. We love bayonets.
Oh, I forgot about these. These are really cute.
Yeah, it's the same as the pin though, so I'm gonna get this pin. What's my girl Daisy doing here? Maybe she came in on that.
I feel like something's happening because there's like loads of people there and there's like a full setup.
Oh. Oh, they're doing a little video?
Yeah, that's crazy.
Have they just asked some random people to be part of a little promo shot? That's so funny.
Who knows? That's crazy. Should we get a little ice cream or maybe go sit by the lake, the river, or whatever it is?
Yes. Last time in boat rides.
Yay!
I'm gonna get some coffee as well. Yee! Oh. Our last Mickey treat.
Last one.
Last one.
Home time.
I've got like 2 mugs on my bag. That's what we're working with.
Important.
Sam's got like 3 drinks and Woody.
My bag is just drinks and snacks and a mug. So.
And you need to drink all those before we go through security.
I need to pee just thinking about it.
Did you get your picture?
Yeah. I was just like, I haven't taken one of those. So I got a picture.
Oh, there's a goofy bus. Anna would love this. Oh.
It's a shame it's cloudy in my picture.
Oh yeah. You got a tree in there as well.
Yeah, I like the tree.
Yeah, but it's covering the sign.
No, I can see the sign.
Okay.
Maybe not.
Maybe it's framing the sign.
You can see the sign. It's just for me.
Okay.